Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this new tool right here called Cen-Tech 12 volt alternator and battery tester. Works with standard AGM and gel. Also said 12 volt alternator and battery tester, and show you all, let you know if it's good, bad, low, or recommendation, recharge or reset, retest, replace. So it goes for motorcycle, cars, trucks, jet ski, and look like a boat, right? Yeah, look like a boat at the bottom. All right, in the back he said, simply and accurately check the status of your 12 volt battery and alternator. Provides useful troubleshooting recommendation. 28-inch test, lead and insulted clamps, magnetic back for hands-free placement. So I'm gonna open this right now. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Very small and neat. I got it from Harbor Freight. It was like $7 and change. I think this is a good tool to have, you feel me, because you just never know when your battery is low or the alternator fails. So and it's magnet, so you could stick it. It's magnet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it right now. This is a negative side, and this is the positive side. As you can see, it said good for the battery check good. I'm gonna crank it up and see what it's gonna tell me about my alternator. In the car, where's the key? I don't even have the key on me. Hold on. All right, I'm back with the key. Start it up. All right, let's see. And right there, it said alternator good. So to test the alternator, you basically have to have to start it up for it to check the alternator, and it said it's good. So there you have it, guys. It's a good product. You can basically check, you feel me? As I said, you can check the battery and you can check the alternator. But to make it work, you got to start it up to check, see if the alternator is good. So yeah guys, not bad. Well, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Oh, something just changed. I still got it started and the alternator is gone. No good. It's not showing no light for the alternator. Disappeared. I'm gonna disconnect it. Disconnect the positive. It's showing the battery is good. That's the alternator down there. Yeah, I think the alternator is faulty because it's not even showing, it's not even saying no more. I'm gonna take the car for a spin and see what's up. I noticed I've been getting some slow cranks. I just replaced the battery because I had a warranty on it, so You're gonna see. I'm gonna take the car for a spin. Well, there you have it, guys. The alternator is faulty. So I'm gonna replace that, and you guys already know. Shop around, because I've been looking on Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, any other parts that's local. They are very expensive, especially for my car. The cheapest that I saw was like like 190 something, like 194, 195, somewhere around there. Not too sure, but it's like 190 and change. So what I did, I went on eBay, you guys already know, and I found OEM genuine one for like under $100. It's like about 90 something dollars. It might run me $100, but that's not bad. That's better than paying for $200, $300 or $400 for an alternator. So that's why I keep telling you guys, make sure you shop around. Don't just jump to the gun unless it's an emergency, you need your car right away. If you can't wait, and if you have the money, hey, go to Advanced Auto Parts, go to AutoZone, buy the part. You could take it to a mechanic install it, whatever the case is. As for me, I have time on my hands. So I'm gonna purchase it online, and it'll probably take maybe 3 or 4 days to come, you know, shipped by USPS or FedEx gonna drop it off. So, and it's the genuine one as well. It's not aftermarket, which is good, which I'm happy about. So yeah, guys, so thanks to that tool that because I noticed, like, in the morning I be having a weak crank, and I was like, yo, nah, it got to be the alternator. The battery don't be dying out like that. And when I be driving, and certain time when I hit certain stops, like at a stoplight, or the car is just in idle, I heard a funny noise going off. The car in the engine, you hear like a funny sound, and I was like, yo, my alternator is failing. And it's been going on for like a good 2 weeks. I noticed it, like a good 2 weeks. I noticed that. So it's good to diagnose your problem, you know, yourself. And what's so crazy, last week, Sunday that just passed, I had went to Advance and got it checked, and they said that it's good. And then yesterday the battery ended up dying yesterday, so I had to take out the battery, took it back to Advance. They tested again. They said the battery was done, the battery gone. I have warranty, so I got it replaced, and I add another year on the warranty as well. I paid like $40 for that. And after that, I install it today. Yesterday I installed it. I start the car, it start up, and I just shut it off. I disconnect the battery again, and then I was like, you know what, let me get this tester to make sure, you know, my alternator is still doing its job. As you guys can see, I connected. It said that battery is good. I started up. First it said the alternator good. I let it run for a while, and the light came off, and that's the indicator that to let me know that the alternator is done. It's no good, it's faulty. I tried to shut it off and start it again, the same thing. The light not even coming on the tool to let me know if the alternator is good. So the alternator is gone. It's no good, it's faulty. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Let me know in the comment section, is that's a good tool to buy? Yes, it is. It's only $7 and change. It's a good tool to have. You just never know what could happen with your vehicle. You just never know, guys. That's a good tool to have, and it's cheap. You know, it's affordable, and you cannot beat affordable. So that's all I have for you folks. As you can see, it works. Let me know in the comment section. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Make sure you scroll as well and hit that hype button. You know, hype up this video. Help your boy out. You feel me? Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. Peace.